Okay, here on display we have two different Starlink boxes or satellite dishes, I guess you could say. Almost looks like a box or a rectangle. This one's a $349.99 edition. This one here is a Starlink Mini, which is $499.99. So this one, smaller one, is bigger than the, or more expensive than the bigger one. But this is what they look like. I mean, very minimalistic style satellite dishes, but they are engineered by SpaceX Starlink. Shows a lady here maybe doing some RV camping where she then remotely connects it, but you can put it on the edge of your house or take it mobile with you. I think this one's made more of a mobile to take it for people who do camp or, you know, travel in RVs. This one here I think is made more for your home to be stationary. But you wouldn't think that the price tag would be $500 versus $350. It gives you just a general look of what these satellite dishes look like. Not a whole lot to them. Engineered by SpaceX Starlink satellite dishes.